Want to replace the sealing ring of the grinder in your coffee machine? With these steps, you'll have it done in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver and a new sealing ring. Step 1. Remove the casing. Start by unscrewing the screws at the back and remove the back panel. Then take the water reservoir out of the machine. Next, slide the sides of the casing loose. Now unscrew the screws from the top and front of the casing. When you remove the top, be careful to gently disconnect the earth wire. Step 2. Remove the old sealing ring. The sealing ring is attached to the top of the grinder. Pull it loose and take it out. Step 3. Place the new sealing ring. Put the new sealing ring where the old one was. Press it firmly into place. Step 4. Put the casing back. First, reconnect the earth wire and put the top of the casing back on. Tighten the screw securely. Then click both sides back into place. Finally, put the back panel back on and tighten those screws well too. You've replaced the sealing ring and the coffee machine is ready to use again.